Today we were launching the uMgungundlovu Multi-Sector Crime Prevention Council. We are very happy that the district has come to this point where all of us agree that crime is not just the issue that the SAPS or the government alone can deal with it. We were forming a social cohesion, a social compact with our people to agree that everybody in the community of UMgungundlovu will stand up and fight crime. And yes, our intention to ensure that we build a safer uMgungundlovu that has got a conducive environment for people to live in, an environment for investment, and a place where everybody can call home, where they can come, learn, play, and do business.